Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Exchange. Getting started is simple. First, create your account using a valid email and a strong, unique password. Next, you'll need to verify your identity with a government-issued ID and some personal details. This step is crucial for security and compliance. Finally, link a payment method, such as your bank account or a debit card, to fund your transactions. This sets you up for secure trading. Once your account is set up, buying and selling crypto is straightforward. Head to the Buy/Sell section, where you can choose from a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Simply select the asset you want, enter the amount you wish to buy or sell, and then review all the transaction details. Always double-check before confirming to ensure everything is correct. It's a quick and easy process. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, especially when you're focused on crypto. Check out the amazing Owala water bottle to keep your drinks cold all day. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Coinbase provides excellent tools for managing your crypto portfolio. Your dashboard offers a clear overview of your holdings and their performance over time. You can set up custom price alerts to stay informed about market changes, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Additionally, explore the platform's educational resources to deepen your understanding of different assets and make informed investment choices. Security is paramount when dealing with digital assets. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account for an essential extra layer of protection. Use a strong, unique password that you update periodically and never reuse passwords across different services. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts. Always verify the sender of emails and avoid clicking suspicious links. Your security is your responsibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.